number 9 on 7.1. I will first use the definition of even to change secant of negative t into just secant. Remember, secant and cosine are only even functions. Unfortunately, the variable is t here. If it has a negative input variable, they're asking you to exercise one of those definitions. Secant is equal to 1 over cosine. So I'm going to change the variable to x just to keep from confusing t's and t's. Secant is 1 over cosine. I'm going to change cotangent to 1 over tangent. Actually, I'm going to change both of these to their appropriate quotients. Cotangent is cosine over sine. Tangent, sine over cosine. The denominator is 1 over cosine. Alright, I'm now going to invert and multiply. Flipping this over and multiplying by each of those top two terms. Cosine of x times this first term would be cosine squared x over sine x. Multiplying cosine times this, the cosines will cancel, leaving just sine x. Okay. I will find a common denominator by these two by multiplying this factor by sine x over sine x. So I'm left with cosine squared x over sine x plus sine squared x over sine squared x. From here to here, I found the common denominator by multiplying by sine of x over sine of x. This will be a common kind of thing, a special version of 1. I did that. Sorry, this denominator here should be simply sine. I did that to get a common denominator. Now, since we have the common denominator of sine x, I can simply sum my numerators. So I have cosine squared x plus sine squared x over sine of x. Well, our new big thing, cosine squared x plus sine squared x is 1. This whole thing is 1. We have 1 over sine of x. And using our reciprocal identity, 1 over sine is cosecant x. That is the final answer.